What it do? What up, YouTube? Speedy King G over here. So today's video about to be a banger. I just want to let you guys know, bro. We're linking up with Josh LaRon, Motor Tube, Tony, and Nikki Vlogs. And you got me. So this video about to be a banger. We're about to hit the Lapeer drag strip today. Everybody's pulling up. It's currently like 9 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, 9 a.m. Been up since 6:30, but this video about to be a banger. Damn, look at the color shift on this one. They just fixed it. I didn't have to camera. Damn, this is about to be crazy. Oh damn, you in the video, you in the video. Yo, what's good, everybody? So we just got to the Lapeer drag strip, and about 20 deep right now. So we got my car racing. Josh LaRon's car racing. His boy about to race. Got the SS about to race as well. All right, y'all. So I just got word that the drag strip opens up at 12. So we're a little bit early. It's like 10:55, say 11, whatever. The lineup's looking mean as hell. We came 20 deep, bro. I was counting them 20 deep. Where'd you go? Yes, sir. Look in the background.
Yeah, we did.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys. 11-2.
Oh, really? Yeah, we did.
Yeah, like what he said.
Right.
We sure did.
Yeah.
You feel me?
Yeah.
Look at. I'm gonna put you in the thumbnail.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna put you in the title too.
Racing motor tube on foot.
Yep.
let's at least race on foot so we don't clickbait it.
Y'all ready? Set, go. Gap. You got gap.
Now you can actually say you're racing. You did race.
Yes, sir.
Ready. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, y'all, so my last 3-4 races I've done nothing but spinning. I got all the tickets to show. I mean, not an excuse, but I can't stop spinning. It's bright as hell outside. Can't really see you guys. But
oh, you did good though.
Thank you. But we got here at 10. It's about 2:30 now. Did a few races. 3 o'clock. About to go home now. Hey, I told you I was gonna be a lit banger. So we got a lot of burnouts, a lot of races. Even really nice old school cars too. One of them broke down. The axle broke and all that. So
one guy's belt flew off.
yeah, we had some crazy stuff happening here.
Yeah.
But I mean, it was a good experience. Definitely fun. I really enjoyed it. I definitely come again. I just gotta wait till my bead locks come in, which is 6 to 8 weeks back ordered. I mean, can't do nothing about that. But I'm waiting for those to come in, and I'm gonna get those Mickey Thompson tires. So you guys gonna see me more often.
Hopefully I got good content for you guys.
Yeah, hopefully.